David, wake up. Wake up. Let's go to the beach.
Yay!
All right, let's go.
You like to go to the beach? All right. Why you like to go to the beach? You like swimming? All right, let's go. All right. Which way should we take? That way? All right. Are we there yet? Not yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Yep. Alright, awesome. Run! Run! Yeah! What's your name? My name is David. Hey, David. How old are you? How old are you? Good. Do you want to count in English? Count in English. You want to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. What else? Okay. 9.
Hello. How are you? You like it?
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna walk that way, and we're gonna keep learning about the beach and also about the forest. Okay? Okay. So let's go. Let's go. What? You want to climb up there? When? Yeah, you want to cross? But you can't. You can't climb. Alright, let's move over here. No, you can't. Alright, let's go over there. Let's keep walking.
Over there.
Yeah, where you want to go? Are you sure you want to go there? Yeah? Alright, let's go then. And I don't know what you found. What is it? It says D. I don't know. I don't understand. So, and let's keep walking.
Look, another.
There, another one?
A tree.
Alright, let's check it out. What it says. Oh. I think this shows that maybe the turtle came to nest here. See? Yeah, it's the same thing. What? The forest? Yeah. Alright, we gotta keep walking that way. And we gotta walk quiet, okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, David? Yeah? Okay, we better go that way. Yeah. Oh, we found a river. So, do you think we can swim there? Why not? They are crocodile. Yeah. I think we can't swim there because the water is dirty. Don't you think so? The water is dirty. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, try again. Great. All right, let's go. Let's keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah, let's keep walking. So, walking also help us, you know. Uh-oh. What is that? What is that? Crabs!
Where?
Right over there, you can't see it. Right? Do you see something? Nope?
No?
Alright.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. So I was telling you that walking help us, you know, to stay healthy, you know, with a lot of energy. And also we have to drink a lot of juice, we have to drink a lot of water. So we're gonna get a lot of energy to keep walking.
Wow.
You see?
This is in a forest.
Yeah. Do you like the forest? Why do you like the forest? But well, I like the forest because there are a lot of animals. There are monkeys, there are sloths, birds. Yeah, for that reason, I like the forest. So we're gonna go right to the forest, right that way. Hopefully, we're gonna see some monkeys. Okay?
And we come over here.
Yeah, we're gonna go that way. Hopefully, we're gonna see monkeys.
Yeah.
Yes? Exciting? All right, let's go then. Are you ready? Yeah? So what do you want to see? What do you want to see? Monkeys? Yeah? All right, let's go. Yeah.
There is a forest.
Yeah, let's go.
The forest has tables.
Wait. Wait. Pick up the leaf. You see? Someone's coming. The sunlight is yellow actually.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go that way. We have to keep walking.
That way.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Ants. Yeah. It's awesome because they build their own house, you know? You like it?
Two house.
Yeah.
And then and his house is right over there.
There are more houses up downstairs. Yeah, there are.
And two were right over there.
There are two here, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Oh, another back here.
Huh?
Another back here, you see?
Where? Where?
Right here.
Huh?
And
What?
here,
Huh?
the ant's house.
Yeah, right there. What is that?
And why?
That one?
Pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah, it's okay. It just, I think it is fruit. But yeah.
It fell down over there.
Yeah, it fell down, but I don't
And it
know.
was broken.
Yeah, it is broken, but I don't know. I don't know what people. I don't know what people called it. You know. I don't know. Actually, I have never seen another way. Actually, I have never seen that kind of fruit before. Can you believe it? All right, let's keep walking. Do you hear that? Shh. That pow, pow, pow. Do you hear that? Yeah? That's bird. That's bird. You hear it? You hear it? Yeah, that's bird. You hear it? Yeah, that's bird. That bird is brown.
They're not brown.
No, it's brown. It's brown.
Brown.
Yeah.
You're not fair now.
Okay. I'm worried.
Huh?
I'm worried. And I'm sad at the same time because there's not monkey here. So it's very late. So we have to go home now.
Why?
Because it's late.
It's dark.
Yeah, it's getting dark and we come back tomorrow, okay? Oh, do you want to see monkey?
A lot of animals.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know, it's getting dark and this is the end of the journey. We can't keep walking.
Why?
Okay? We're